In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the Zoom ringtone volume. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Zoom desktop app on your computer. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, you should be looking at the main interface of Zoom. Now, to access the settings where you can adjust your ringtone volume, look for the gear icon located in the top right corner of the window. Click on it, and this will take you right into the Settings menu. Alternatively, you can click on your profile avatar, which will also give you an option to select settings. Either way works, so choose the one you prefer. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll notice a list of categories on the left-hand side. Here, you want to select the Audio tab. This section is specifically where you can customize all your audio preferences, like volume levels for output and microphone settings. Now that we're in the audio settings, let's focus on adjusting the volume sliders for both incoming and outgoing audio. To hear notifications and the incoming audio better, you'll want to adjust the output level slider. Find it under the Speaker section and simply drag the slider to the right. The further right you slide, the louder the ringtone and the notifications will be. This is great if you find yourself missing calls because you can't hear the ringtones clearly. Next, it's also important to ensure that others can hear you well. To do this, locate the input level slider under the microphone section. Drag this slider to the right as well. This will enhance your microphone volume, allowing others to hear you more clearly during meetings. One quick note here, if you usually want to maintain a consistent volume level for your microphone, you can uncheck the option that says Automatically Adjust Microphone. Turning this off locks your microphone at the higher volume setting. This is particularly useful if you often find that Zoom tries to adjust your mic volume during a call, which can be distracting. So to recap, make sure you have adjusted both the output and input level sliders to suit your preferences. Now you should be all set to enjoy a clear audio experience, whether you're in a meeting or waiting for a call. That wraps up our tutorial on increasing the Zoom ringtone volume. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing for more tips.